How to get a Leo man to like you fast. 4 tricks to get a Leo man to chase you. Do you find the Leo man simply irresistible? Do you want to know how to get a Leo man to like you fast? This was put together just for you then. You can use these next tips and tricks to make that Leo man want you in the best way possible. Warning. It has been said repeatedly that Aries is the most compatible sign to go with Leo, yet this doesn't necessarily have to be a hard and fast rule. Gemini, Libra, and Sagittarius are also seen as good runner-up signs to this sign. If you do not fall under these signs, you may have to work a little harder to get things going and keep them going between you two. Now on to the tricks that would make a Leo man want to chase you starting fast. Trick number 1. Don't be too aggressive about your hunt. These men enjoy being looked at and admired. You should give them the eye and then see if they send it back to you. If a Leo man is interested, he will look back to confirm this. Once you have confirmed, then feel free to walk on over and take the next steps. Trick number 2. Compliment, compliment, compliment. The Leo man loves to be admired, respected, and seen for the great man that he is. So smile and compliment him on his looks. You can say your arms look strong, your eyes are really great looking or intense in a good way, you sure are tall and masculine looking. Saying things like this will feed his ego and make him feel even more proud. This is an excellent way to solve how to get a Leo man to like you fast. Trick number 3. Keep things happy. When talking to the Leo, you want to keep the conversation more on the bubbly side and happy. You want to smile and touch them from time to time. You want them to see you as a happiness center. Do not try to bring them down with sad things. Instead, go for small talk like where are you from, what do you do for work. Ask them things that you can keep a happy vibe about. Trick number 4. Say one thing but do another, i.e. don't call. Need one more trick on how to get a Leo man to like you. So when you say you will call them or be in touch, go ahead and do the exact opposite. They like to be surprised. So instead of calling/texting them the next day, wait 2 days and then call out of the blue. Let them know that you have been really busy and that was why you hadn't contacted them. They may be a little bit annoyed, but will get over it. Keep the conversation happy and light. You want them to get a sense of pleasure from your interactions with them. You can open up about your vulnerabilities and sadder points later down the line when you're in a fully committed relationship with them. This works well with the other tips on how to get a Leo man to chase you. So, now that you know how to get a Leo man to like you, do you know how to get him to love you? What about getting him to be devoted to you more than any other woman before? Click the link in the description box to find the secrets to your dream man now.